ENGWE X26 1000W Folding Electric Bike. ENGWE Bicycle X26 impressive top speed of 31 miles per hour and a mind-blowing maximum power of 1000 W. Feel the unstoppable power and incredible versatility of adult electric bicycle, specifically designed for heart-pounding off-road adventures and effortless city commuting. ENGWE Electric Bike is your ultimate ticket to experiencing exhilarating freedom and excitement like never before. ENGWE X26 electric mountain bike powered by a cutting-edge 48V 29.2AH removable lithium dual battery. This adult electric bike guarantees limitless exploration. Experience the freedom to roam with an impressive pure electric range of 62 miles throttle mode, allowing you to embark on thrilling adventures without worrying about power. Plus, with the PAS mode pedal assist mode, you'll soar up to a remarkable 95 miles, pushing your boundaries even further. ENGWE X26 E-bike equipped with outstanding features, including 4.0-inch fat tires and 180mm hydraulic disc brakes. It delivers unparalleled stability and stopping performance. Weighing only 96 pounds, it is stable and easy to handle, catering perfectly to individuals between 5.5 to 6.5 feet tall and weighing up to 330 pounds. With the added benefit of headlights, it is also suitable for nighttime rides, guaranteeing safety and security during your evening adventures. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride on mountain trails or city streets with hydraulic shock absorbers. The premium 8-speed gearbox guarantees seamless gear transitions. Designed for comfort, it provides a soft and enjoyable riding experience. With excellent grip and braking performance, stability and safety are assured. Convenient gear shifting with pedal assist and thumb throttle modes. Equipped with a gear sensor to protect the bicycle and gearbox. Premium quality assurance and convenience. This incredible ride is designed with the ability to easily fold and be portable wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring new places, or simply need to save space, our ENGWE X26 folding electric bike is your perfect companion. Its compact design allows for easy storage and transportation, while still providing powerful performance and a comfortable ride. Premium quality assurance. Rest easy knowing your ENGWE X26 comes with a commitment to premium quality. Backed by comprehensive warranty coverage and responsive customer support, you'll enjoy worry-free riding and the confidence of a reliable, high-performance electric bike. ENGWE X26 1000W Folding Electric Bike.